Alright, so Wick and I are getting trim pieces and such ready to go on the GTO. This is a passenger side lower fender trim. And this is an OEM one. And this is a new one from Ames. It's considerably lighter. And you can, just setting it on the table, you can tell by the sound. And then we did notice this new inside of OE. Look at how short and not rounded. That didn't even gonna fit right. That's incredible, Wick, how they're different. But like you were saying, you used the die from a million years ago, and yeah, those definitely aren't of the quality we would like.
It's heavy, it's got a good weight to it, but it's slugger.
All right, we got our fenders back off. We're gonna put our badging and do some cleanup. And put our inners and do it all. So, made in China. Yucky. Wick, you have your OEM one? Real quick, we can set up here. Chinese. Factory. Way better. It's incredible. I can actually see the beam of your headlight on the camera.
You can?
It's like seeing into the future. All right, so there's a little dent here. Probably from, we think like maybe a drop jack Wick. Somebody missed, looks like.
Yeah, or slipped or something.
Yeah. So Wick's been doing a little cleaning and sanding and scraping and hammering. And now the rust encapsulator.
Yep.
Everybody's favorite stuff. Then over here, this fender's been really clean. So I've just been doing a little scraping and a little scotch brightening. There was some shittiness here on the mounting surfaces for back at the firewall and cowl. So a little scrapey, a little sandy, a little vacuumy. And then Wick will get it with the goods.
I just let this run down in there. Oh shit, let me get on the outside.
Yeah, but there's a chrome strip that goes over that on the outside.
Yep.
Oh yeah, that stuff's got flavor.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna hit that inside because it needs to get all the way down into there.
Get that little spot right there. Dab a little. Yeah, on that fender, all this in here was jacked up and busted.
Love it.
So I
Bare
scraped
metal
them
here.
all.
It's not rusted, but it's bare.
I scraped them all, yeah, so you're gonna have to do that on those. Hot damn though. Like you said, these fenders are not bad. Usually you find all kinds of funk in them, and
Yeah.
these are
It's
clean.
Pretty good shape, I gotta say. Alright.
Nice.
Good.
Alright, so this side looks good. So you said the other side, the holes are off?
Yeah, so you can eyeball it.
Oh wow.
So I put it in there and I measured from this crease. So on the other side, from there to finished, but on this side,
Ruler, it's right here.
so like on this side, from the G, it's 5 inches to the crease, and it's 424 on that side, closest to. So on this side, right there should be the
424.
and then
Damn. Sweet template.
yeah, I probably need to cut it off.
Cut that square.
And that's about 424. So we're cockeyed. The wrong, well no, I guess it's in the right direction. No, it's in the wrong direction because this hole's higher up here.
Yeah, so it needs to come down.
Yeah.
Do this.
So in reality, I really need to cut this line.
Nice and square. So this side definitely has had some shit going on.